Mr.
Rampa kung rampa, deadma sa mga umiintriga. Yan ang mindset ni RJ Perkins, isa sa mga kandidato ng Mr. Pampanga na nag-viral sa pagrampa niya sa swimwear competition last weekend.
I walked onto that stage showing who I am and what I want to show off to the world. But other than that, as soon as the swimmer pageant ended, I was more of I didn't really expect anything, and then I woke up to a bunch of notifications.
Malaking bagay raw para kay RJ na makita ang mga positive comments tungkol sa kanyang ginawa. Lalo't first pageant niya ito. Sa mga basher naman ni RJ at nang babody shame sa kanya, may paglilinaw ang kandidato mula sa Angeles City.
Prior to me joining this, I was bulking up so much because I wanted to put on so much muscle mass. And now it's more of in the cutting stage. Now I have to cut it. So basically it's water weight, cutting calories and everything.
Bago pasukin ng pageantry, naging trainee for a P-pop group noon si RJ. Matapos ito, umuwi siya sa Canada para magpahinga at makapag-isip sa gusto niya pang gawin. Pero now, he's back at mensahe niya sa publiko.
I always want everyone to, learn to accept to love your body at the same time, grow along with it. I mean, confidence doesn't just start from you yourself, but also from your mind and heart. I also want to surprise them even more po.